As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5 star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First, though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. We have exclusive confirmation that the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event is scheduled for early July 2024. The event is likely to take place in the second week of the month, and considering the typical Wednesday scheduling of Galaxy Unpacked events, there is a possibility that the next event will occur on July 10th. This has been coming up from multiple sources, and if true, it will be the earliest Galaxy Z series announcement to date. There are two key factors and possible reasons for this. First, the Galaxy S24 launch was also earlier than usual on January 17, but the second one is likely more impactful, and it's the Summer Olympics. By announcing the next foldable lineup prior to one of the biggest sporting events on the planet, Samsung is making sure it gets maximum exposure during the event, reaping any potential marketing benefits. What's more, the company is one of the official sponsors of the event, and we could even see a special Olympics edition Galaxy Z phone. The market release date of the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 will probably be sometime in August.